Hello everyone! In today's lesson we're gonna learn the best render settings for YouTube in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have prepared clipping timeline. Open render settings window by pressing Ctrl M or Command M on Mac. Our window has opened and in the preset menu we go down and choose YouTube 1080p Full HD. I have 1080 Full HD sequence settings, so I choose Full HD Export. If you have 4K video, you need to choose 4K YouTube export settings. Now in the video section, don't change width and height, don't change frame rate, field order have to be progressive, aspect square pixels, and don't forget to check render at maximum depth. Go down to the encoding settings and choose Profile High and level 4.2. For Full HD video it's optimum. And go down more to bitrate settings and choose VBR to pass. Our video will be scanned 2 times. We have target bitrate at 16 value. In basic, this is a high value and it is enough for us. But YouTube will compress our video, so let's change our target bitrate to 32. We have larger size file, but quality will be higher too. And in the end, choose Use Maximum Render Quality box and Use Previews box. Now we can export our video. Because we check options Use Maximum Render Quality and Render at Maximum Depth, we will have not fast render speed, but very high quality. If you have slow computer, you can uncheck those options. And that's all. This is the optimum preferences for YouTube for today. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.